And we're shifting our focus to some breaking news coming in as far as supreme setback for telecompanies are concerned. The Supreme Court has ordered Telcos to clear dues. The Supreme Court has asked for the Telcos to pay 92,000 crores to the government in the next 3 months. The Supreme Court has dismissed the plea by Vodafone and of Airtel. The plea over adjusted gross revenue is something that has been rejected. The telecom department maintains that Vodafone owes 58,254 crores. Vodafone maintains that the pending due is only of 21,533 crores. The telecom department says that the Airtel owes them 43,980 crores. The Airtel pending dues maintain that they only have 13,404 crores, while the telecos claim that the impending crisis is over the AGR, the row over revenue sharing model. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time. The Supreme Court is not going to pay heed to the pleas of both Vodafone and Airtel. My colleague Harish is joining me on the phone line to get us more details. Harish, telecom giants Vodafone and Airtel owe heavy dues to the government. The Supreme Court has come down heavily on them, saying that pay 92,000 crores to the government in the next 3 months.
Yes, that's right. It's a big setback for the telecom giants like Bharti Airtel and Vodafone. Companies will have to, this order means that the companies will have to shell out rupees 2,000 crore, a whopping 92,000 crore to government within 3 months towards the adjusted gross revenue, that is AGR. Remember earlier the original petition and review was also dismissed. Now the curative petition has also been dismissed. So that is the last legal call for these telecom companies. Companies in fact had raised looming financial crisis if payment was made. They claimed a grave error by the Department of Telecommunications in calculating these dues, license fees and spectrum charges, but the Supreme Court bench was not convinced and has dismissed their curative petition, which means that they have to pay out this rupees 92,000 crore. Supreme Court has rejected telecom companies' curative plea to recompute adjusted gross revenue or AGRs. There was a long-standing dispute over payment of dues to the government. Companies had raised concerns about financial crisis affecting all firms. Vodafone India, Bharti Airtel and other companies had filed a curative petition against court's order. 2019 verdict in which they were directed to pay rupees 92,000 crore within 3 months. The current petitions are against a September 2020 order requiring payment of AGR dues over a 10-year period, 10% of a total by March 31 every year. But it's a setback for the telecom companies as Supreme Court has dismissed the curative petition.
Absolutely. Thank you, Harish, for getting us those details. We shall leave it at that for the moment.